Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for Colby. So as you know, Colby is an all-American cheese made in Wisconsin, and it is native to that area but made throughout the world these days. I made this one in March 2021 and it was ready 2 months later in May. It is now June and it's probably gone a month over its aging, but just looking at the bag, there is no whey, seepage or anything like that. It looks fairly intact, but I've got some paper towel here just in case. So let's cut open the bag. I have clean hands, of course. Yep, no, little bit of moisture in the bag, but nothing to speak of, so that's good. All right, ooh, smells cheesy. That's a good start. Yeah, it's not damp to touch. Alrighty. So I'm very excited about this one because I made it a smaller style using a smaller size basket, but nonetheless it still looks pretty good. Don't worry about the lines and stuff, that's just from the vac packing. But anyway, let's cut her open and have a look, shall we? Very nice. Few little mechanical holes, but that's perfectly okay. It's not firm. It's not firm, as in hard, but it's soft. It smells good. So just cut this one in quarters. So far, so good, curd nerds. Let's just put that there. Bit of a leaning tower of cheeser. Right, let's cut a slice off. Now once again we're crack-a-lacking, so yeah, no forethought obviously when I make the videos. But this slice as well, it's not crumbly. Flexible, nice, see, not breaking. That's just how Colby should be. You can tear it, so it's no hassle. Here goes nothing. Smells great. Perfect. Smooth, mellow, not sharp at all. Great all-round cheesy flavour. Oh, it's just coating my tongue. That is really good. Just the right amount of salt. You can taste the salt, it's good. Not too overpowering. No bitterness. It's creamy. That is delightful. Never fails to amaze me. This simple little cheese just tastes so good. You know, definitely not sharp like cheddar at all. And smooth, creamy, great flavour. Strong, well, it's not strong. Yeah, it's not mild either. You can really taste the cheese. Oh, this is great. Sorry, can't stop eating it. It's too good. Kim is gonna love this cheese. Absolutely love it. Colby, she's a big fan of. She's always got some store-bought Colby in the fridge, but this far exceeds the flavour of store-bought Colby, let me tell you. No, great cheese, fantastic flavour. I'm impressed. But, you know, I made it myself, which is even better. I love it when you make things yourself and they taste this fantastic, especially cheese. You know, cheese really is milk's leap into immortality. It really does. Whoever said that quote, can't remember. It really does cap off how, you know, milk can transform into something this amazing. I love it. So, perfect little Colby, just the right amount of salt. You know, you can't go wrong. If you want to see how to make this Colby, I'll put the recipe in the end card and there'll be a link in the description below. I aged this not for 2 months but for 3. It'll be a little bit milder at 2 months, but at 3 months, for me, this is perfect. I wouldn't age this any longer than that, seeing it's supposed to be a mild cheese anyway. But oh, absolutely fantastic. Oh, I love Colby. I should make it more often, honestly. But great cheese. If you want to make the kit, you want to get the kit for this, then I can highly recommend the hard cheese kit, and we have some of those in stock in the store. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so you can get more cheesy content on a weekly basis. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.